All right, you guys, we're going to go ahead and prep our work even more by adding the colors in order from how we're going to use them. The first two colors that we're going to use is red and green. They're on top. The next two colors is blue and purple. They're next. And the last two colors that we're going to use is orange and yellow. Just another way and another idea in order to keep your workstation clean. Let's move blue, purple. Let's also move red to the side so we can do one paper at a time. With the shape that we're going to cut out first is a pentagon. You do not need the entire paper to cut out one pentagon. You can use both of the papers in order to have another side for practice, but you really only need a nice size pentagon. So let's fold this in half once again. Cut it down the middle, just so you can cut out a very nice size pentagon. Okay? Our pentagon has 5 sides. How many sides does a pentagon have? 5. Okay? So let's go ahead and draw this pentagon to where it has 5 sides. Your pentagon may not look exactly like mine, but try your best, okay? Our pentagon has a straight line down here. We have 2 lines on the side that go out just a little bit, okay? Diagonal, diagonal. That's 1, 2, 3. We need to create 2 more sides. So you can think of a cupcake in order to create your pentagon. So put a dot right in the middle of that line at the bottom and just connect the dots. And now you will have a pentagon. That is your shape that we are creating, and it is a pentagon. Please use this time to finish creating your pentagon. After you finish creating your pentagon, cut it out. Cut out your pentagon. Keep your workstation clean by taking your trash and putting it in a small area. Ball it up if need be. Ball it up, put it to the side where all of your trash will sit. There's our pentagon. We did our pentagon in green. We also need to do a pentagon in red. Do the same thing. Prep this paper to where you can have some to use for another day, because you need just really half of it. Our next shape is a hexagon. Say hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides, okay? So instead of just the 5 sides like the pentagon, we're going to use 6 sides, okay? So let's put a short line right here. Come up just a little bit, because all we're going to really do is connect the dots and draw the same size line right above it. Our hexagon goes out and down like a triangle. So just take your paper and draw a triangle like the top of a house. Do it again on the other side. Just take it up like a triangle, like you're making the top of a house. And you will have a nice size hexagon. Use this time to cut out your hexagon. After you cut out your hexagon, go ahead and, after you're done drawing your hexagon, I caught myself. You need to cut out your hexagon. You can go nibble, 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 short, 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 or you can just go chomp. One or the other. Hexagon up top. Get the hexagon out the way. Let's do the next shape. Well, not the next shape. Let's go for the next line. We're going to create a wavy line in 2nd grade. Put your blue paper in front of you to where you create your hexagon. I'm sorry, your wavy line. Have your black marker, your black crayon. And just go up, down, up, and off the paper. Start your line somewhere, end your line somewhere. Let's go ahead and do the next line. The next line needs to match the pattern that you just did. Go up, down, boom, just like that. Go ahead, finish your line. Make sure you leave some space in between because you're only going to cut on the black line. Cut it out, push it up to the side. For a wavy line, you will want to go nibble, 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 and not chomp, chomp, chomp. You guys in second grade, you remember, nibble, nibble, nibble. Do not close the scissors all the way, because if you do, they're going to create a straight line. Okay, finishing up. Boom. Move this paper to the side. If you would like to go above and beyond on your artwork, you can create more than one blue wavy line. Put that to the side. Now, let's try it again. Get your purple paper and draw a pentagon. Let's go. Let's see if you all remember how to draw that pentagon. I'm sorry. Fold it so you can be able to draw a nice size one, not too big. Put that paper to the side. Always close your scissors and draw that pentagon. Over, out, out. Look in the middle of the line, go up, press the dot, and finish your cupcake. Okay? Good job. Cut it out. Put it to the side when you're done. As you all can see, Miss Prejean is keeping her workspace clean by constantly moving her trash to one side, to a little pile. So all I have to do is just go get the trash can, swoop, make sure it goes in the trash. Let's go. Orange is next, and we're going to create that, not a pentagon, but for 6 sides, it is a what? A hexagon. Good job. Let's go. Open it up. Cut down that line that you created, watching those fingers. Paper to the side. Draw that hexagon. I'm sorry, pentagon. Line here, come up. Line here, boom, turn to the side. And then draw your triangle, the top of your house. Do it again. It can also be used for a diamond. You can think about the shape of a diamond as well. Creating like some type of pearl or stone. We can use this shape to create a lot of different types of objects in our artwork. Make sure you cut out that hexagon, put it to the side. So we'll have 2 shapes of each. Now we just need our other wavy line. As you all can see, Miss Prejean did not fold the paper using the lines because we want our lines to be nice and long. Let's draw a wavy line, but with a little bit more waves. Whoop, 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 whoop. Redo that line. Boom. Now, as you can see, I did not draw in the middle of the paper. So when I cut all of this out, I will be able to save this paper for another day. But the other piece, I can put in the trash. We always like to reuse, reduce, and recycle. famous 3. Boom. See? I can use this for another day in another project. Put that to the side. Cut out my other wavy line. Yikes. Keep on cutting. Boom. Now I have 2 of each. 2 wavy lines, 2 pentagons, 2 hexagons. Now I'm going to get my assignment paper, my background paper, a color that is not the same color of my 6 primary and secondary colors. Light blue is not a primary color. It's not even a secondary color. You're going to learn about light blue on tomorrow. So let's go ahead and figure out where we want to put our objects by arranging them on the paper. Remember, arrange. We learned that on last week. Place them where you want them to go. Miss Prejean's paper is starting to look like jewels hitting in the ocean. So now I'm a little happy. Well, let me scoop this part over so I can scoop this up. Now that I see that all of my objects are not pasted, but they can fit on the paper without anything sticking off. Now I can go ahead and paste. I remember that goes there, that goes there. Add your glue to the side that you drew on. Add your glue to the side that you drew on so you do not see any mistakes that you could have made. Try to fit my line on the paper as best as I can. If there's any glue coming off of your paper or from up under your shape, just pick it up. Let's go. Paste your items. Give me 1 second. My dog locked himself outside. Keep pasting your items. Keep pasting those items. Maybe. Now you all know that's Prince barking. I did open the door so he can come in, but he's still out there barking. It's okay. Keep pasting your items, you guys. Paste them on there pretty good. Make sure you're not using too much glue. Too much glue is not okay. Boom. Now you have your simple artwork of using your shapes in your lines. Now, remember your artwork from today because it's going to help you use your brain muscles for your assignment for this week.